How to play music offline with Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is just launch the Spotify application on your device. But before that, check any updates available for Spotify application on your device. So let's search for Spotify, and as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Spotify application. So we're going to tap on open and it will land us to the Spotify application's user interface. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, as I logged into your account, there's an unfortunate fact that you cannot play music offline with a free membership over here. You need to have a premium version of the Spotify application in order to play the music offline. So you can just go to the premium versions and you can select different plans that they have, from individual to dual to students and family and so on. You can select whichever is more convenient and you can just use the premium version to play the music offline with Spotify. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.